Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to listen to Spotify music while playing Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Shortcuts app on your mobile device and all of your recent shortcuts will be displayed on your screen. Simply tap on the add icon at the top right corner and then select the add action feature to start adding automation. You just need to search for play and pause and then name the shortcut to your preference. Once done, close the app and open your device settings. Now, access the Accessibility tab and then open the Touch feature. Make sure that the Assistive Touch feature is enabled. Once it is, select the Double Tap option and choose your newly created shortcut. After that, open the Spotify app and play some music. Now, open the Roblox app and then double tap the Assistive Touch to play the music. This will allow you to listen to your Spotify playlist while you are playing Roblox on your mobile device. So that's basically how you can listen to Spotify music while playing Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.